Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Hello friend. I am architect Minarul Islam. Today I talk about construction line. Again it is called a X line. It is used a lot in professional work. The X line has no start point and end point. We get this command in the draw toolbar. This is draw toolbar. Here I click, then I see here construction line. Another method, we get X line from keyboard to press XL and press enter. Now I draw this line. First select on construction line. I go to draw toolbar, then I click on construction line, then click in the page specify the midpoint of line. Then again specify throw line. I click and press enter for out of command. Please you look at the line where has no start point and end point. Another method, I draw this line. First type XL from keyboard and press enter. The click specify midpoint of line and I click throw point, then press enter for out of command. Look this line has no horizontal or vertical. I will press H to make the line horizontal and press V to make the vertical line. Example, press XL for and enter, then press for V for vertical line, then enter and click specify midpoint. This is a vertical. Again I press XL and enter, then I press H and enter for vertical horizontal line, then click specify the midpoint. This is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. Now I draw X line of another style. First press XL and press enter and press A for angle of line, then enter press. Now type measurement of angle 45°, then press enter. Then I press specify midpoint and click another click. This is a angle X line, 45 angle X line. Okay everybody, hope you get more knowledge about a X line in this tutorial. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.